Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Daniel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and notification bell. This way you're gonna get notified when I upload a new video. Today's video is gonna be a little different. Many of you, maybe you know, maybe not. My profession is I'm an electrician. So what I do is I install lights. So today I had a chance to install an awesome chandelier. This chandelier is heavy, it's big, and it's bulky. It's by 48 inch by 24 inch, and it has about 84 glasses on it, and it has probably like 10 light bulbs. So I'm going to take you through the process of what it took to install this chandelier. It took me about 8 hours to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a really quick time lapse, but you'll see the process. I'll show you some photos and then I'll show you what I did to support the light. Like I said, it's really heavy and I had to build some crazy contraption in the attic, but it ended up really nice. So let's go through this process together. Hit the like button, leave me a comment if you want to see any other lights that I do. I have many photos of other lights that I install. I didn't really do videos, but I could do from now on. So let's start the process.